Here's a quick overview of the entire publishing process step by step. Probably the most obvious, but also the most important. Before you start writing your book, you need to have a clear vision of what your book is going to be about. Ask yourself, what is your book's unique selling point? Who is your audience? What is your marketing strategy going to be? Having clarity on this makes the writing process a lot easier, as you can use language that directly speaks to your audience. The writing process is all about rewriting and refining your work until it's the best that it can be. Some authors prefer to write their manuscript themselves, while others seek the feedback of proofreaders, beta readers, or even ghostwriters to help refine their work. Do you want to traditionally publish or self-publish?
You could also go with hybrid publishing, where you invest upfront and get professional help with editing, marketing, and distribution, while still retaining creative control and much higher royalties than in traditional publishing.
These are important decisions that you need to make, which will determine how much control you have over your book. For instance, with traditional publishing, you will probably have to give up a significant portion of your royalties as well as creative control. But with self-publishing, you get to retain full rights over your book. Consider factors like how much marketing support you need, how quickly you want to publish your book, and whether you want to publish physical copies of your book. If you're still confused about which publishing route to take, check out the links in the description for videos that explain this in a lot more detail. Editing is one of the most important steps in the publishing process, and there are different types of editing depending on your needs. Copy editing focuses on grammar, spelling, punctuation, and consistency. Developmental editing goes deeper into your book's writing style, the flow of your book, and the book structure. Beta reading is when someone reads a work in progress and provides feedback to the author. Proofreading ensures that there are no errors in your manuscript before publication. While you can edit your book yourself, going to a professional editor really improves its readability. Interior design is a really important step if you want to create a professional looking book. Typesetting or formatting ensures proper layout, margins, spacing, or font choices, which all contribute to a good reading experience. Different publishing platforms have different formatting requirements, so it's important that you format your book accordingly. If you're using the NotionPress platform to publish your book, then you can use our interior formatting tool, which ensures that your book is formatted according to our publishing standards. Your book's cover design is the first thing that readers notice, so making a strong impression is crucial. While originality is important, you can also look at other successful books in your genre to get inspiration. Visit bookstores or browse online retailers to see what best-selling covers look like, what fonts, layouts, and colors are commonly used. This will give you an idea on how you can design your book cover. A well-designed book cover can decide whether or not your readers pick it up. Metadata might sound technical, but it's simply the information that helps readers discover your book. So this includes the book title, subtitle, author name, publication date, and so much more. Keywords are important for ranking in search engines, so using the right keywords can help optimize your book's discoverability. We'll cover this topic in much more detail in another video. Deciding on a pricing strategy involves considering various factors, including production costs, marketing trends, and your own goals as an author. If you want to reach a wide audience, you might want to price your book competitively.
But if your goal is to maintain exclusivity, a premium pricing strategy might be the way to go.
No matter how you choose to publish, marketing is ultimately your responsibility as an author. Even traditionally published authors need to be actively involved in the promotion of their book. Successful marketing strategies involve a combination of social media promotion, paid advertising, book reviews, PR campaigns, and collaborations with influencers in your niche. Building an audience and generating interest in your book takes time, but a strong marketing strategy can make all the difference. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!